let's go ahead and let's get it fitted. But before we do that, oh, there we go. Good catch. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is, of course, Paul. Now, this is a Samsung case, believe it or not. Gone are the days of the big, massive boxes, and when you lift the lid it says Samsung, and inside, one lonely case. So, if we go ahead and we unwrap this, what we've got right here is the silicone grip cover case for the Z Fold 4 or Z Fold 4, whatever you guys want it to be, that's what it is. The other videos coming up, we're just going to call it the Fold 4, but let's go and unbox this and get it fitted to the Z Fold 4. Let's go. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually do it right here. So I'm not going to take you into the kitchen in front of the toaster as normal. I'm trying to move away from the toaster and try and make these videos as professional as possible. Fingers crossed we may get a setup. Let's just jump into it. We have the trusty unboxing knife. Let's go ahead and let's slice. And okay, that's done. Now let's pop it open like so. And straight front and center is the case. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's see what we get. Okay, so you get your instruction guide on how to fit. You get a little bit of tracing paper in case you need it. Inside the case you get a small box. Then you've got your front part right here, and then you've got the rear part with the strap on the back so that you can slide your hand through like so and keep hold of your phone. You get these again, these little bits of tape running down the side to stop it from moving. Now the Z Fold 3 did actually scratch. The screen did actually scratch down the side from one of these actually moving. It wasn't like scratches, like deep scratches, it was like micro abrasions all down the screen where this was sliding about. So this case will be getting stuck down. Maybe more cases coming, so I don't think I can stick it down just yet. But what you got right here on the back of it, you've got, it says fold right here, cut out for your camera, cut out for your power and your volume rocker, cut out on the bottom for your microphone and your charge port, and then obviously the speakers are on the other side where this goes. You get a green bit of strap on the top and a little bit on the bottom, and then when you pull it out, strap runs right the way through and it is green, but your hand goes right in like so. So let's go ahead, let's get the phone, let's get the Fold 4 and let's put this on. Okay, so here's my Fold 4 in the grey green. So let's go ahead and let's fit the back part first. So you place it over like so and it just snaps into place. So there's the back bit, and then open it up ever so slightly. Obviously because I'm not using a setup, this is a bit different for you guys to watch, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. And then you place that over like so and close it down, and there we go. So there's the front part. It has got a lip around it, so you can place this face down. On the top you got a cutout for your speaker on this side, cutout for your mic on the bottom, cutout for your speaker, your charge port. So now when you place your hand inside, this is now what you've got. Your phone is not going anywhere, it's attached to your hand. Of course, when you fold that screen out, this is what you're going to have. But this bit is going to get fingerprinty, so you know, but I always keep a cloth with me anyway. But now this is what you've got. Your phone isn't going to be going anywhere. It's now attached to your hand, almost like a pop socket, but it's a strap. And then obviously when you close it, then still attached to your hand, you can use it like this, you know, so you've still got a tight grip on your phone. No one's going to try and take it out your hand because you've got it right here, tight hold of it. And of course you can slide this into your pocket. You got your Samsung branding right here, and of course that Fold sign right across this bit right here. So yeah, but it's a nice silicone style feeling case. Does feel good in the hand, it looks good too. This might actually be my favourite case, depends what the leather one looks like. Okay, so now another question is will the Fold case wirelessly charge? Yes it will. Wirelessly charging, 15 minutes until full, and it's on a wireless charger. But it does feel good, it is a nice feeling case. Now this was, I think, £30 on the Samsung website, so I'm going to leave links in the description down below to Samsung's website, so where you can pick up the Fold and some cases, accessories, etc. In case you want to pick something up for yourself, there'll be a link down there to Samsung's website, not to Amazon, so be sure to head down there and check this out. But this is a nice case. As I say, it may become my favourite, who knows. We'll see when the leather one and stuff turns up. It does feel good. You've got a raised lip just right here to where you can grip it and pull the phone open, so it's nice and easy to get the phone open, as you can see where it's indented in around where your power and your volume rocker is. So that's pretty good too. I do like that a lot. But I have got plenty of cases coming. Let me know if there's anything you want to see with the Fold. This is obviously the second video from the unboxing video, so let me know if there's anything you guys want to see in the future. Be sure to let me know. But drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. For now guys, take care, stay safe. Right.
Start it up.